Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn the topic name human-centered design. So what is human-centered design? So human-centered design is a creative approach to problem solving that starts with people and ends with innovative solutions that are tailor-made to suit their requirement. So in simple language, what we can say, human-centered design can be defined as the process where the involvement of the human is there throughout the design process. So there are some steps in the human centered design. We are going to see what are those steps. So it starts with the observation, ideation, then rapid prototyping, followed by user feedback. Then we are going to for the iteration, and the last one, implementation. So to understand this human centered design as well as to remember this human centered design process, I have given one acronym, and that acronym is IRU-IIO. But here you guys have to remember the IRU-IIO process starts with the observation. So now we are going to see what is IRU-IIO in detail in terms of human-centered design. So as you can see from the picture, that the process, the first step is to observation. So in observation, what we are going to do, we are going to observe the end user, because what is our objective? To design a product, and we are designing a product for the end user. So ultimately we have to understand the user's requirement. We have to understand their pain points, what is their behavior towards any product, what is their requirement, and what they want from us. So that these points comes under the steps of observation. Once you are done with these steps, you have to move ahead with the next step, that is ideation, right? So ultimately what you are going to do here, you are going to discuss the ideation process with your team. You can start the brainstorming session, and you can tell your team to generate as many as possible ideas, right? You can design n number of solutions here, but remember the time limit is also there. So based upon your idea, what you can do, you can select a particular concept. Then once your concept is finalized, you can move ahead with the next step, that is rapid prototyping. Now here you have to consider the point that where you are going to consider a physical prototype or rapid prototype. Okay, so if you are creating a virtual prototype, then yes, it is very easy and you can show it to the user as well. But if you are creating a physical prototype, then you must know what are the items available with you. Like there are many items related to the physical prototype. You can use paper, you can use cardboard, you can use clay, you can use metal, wood, etc, etc, right? So ultimately what is our goal here? To quickly build a simple prototype of your idea, right? And what is going to happen by this, you can test easily with the end user. So once you are done with the rapid prototyping stage, the next step is there, that user feedback. Now you can take out your your prototype to the user and just ask them what are their feedback associated with the product. Now try to have your prototype in front of the user and ask them all sort of feedbacks. Once the feedback is ready from the user, what you can do, you can iterate your solution, right? So what you have to do here, keep iterating, testing and integrating user feedback until you have fine tuned your solution. So remember guys, you don't have to demotivate here. No, you have to revise again and again, right? Until and unless you can satisfy the user's requirement. So once your users are happy, you can move ahead with the next step, that is implementation. Now what you can do, as you have already incorporated all points from the user, now you can validate your solution. Now your product is also ready, and now what you can do, you can launch your product into the market. Okay, so that is the complete process of human centered design. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.